Hey, so do you have a ton of embroidery designs and you really want to get organized? I have a perfect solution for you. This is my embroidery design inventory tracker, and I'm going to show you how it works. So it's going to count all of the designs that you have, and you'll be able to put in the images to the files, and you'll be able to get, if you have a location of where you're storing your designs, you can, if it's a clickable link, you can click on it and go straight to it. So it'll really make finding your designs much easier. So what we'll do is we'll put in the design title. So say we've got a flower, the description, whatever you want to describe it. So we're just going to call it a pink flower. And then you can put in the date that you purchased, who you purchased it from, and then the link to their website, and then whatever category you use for your designs. We're just going to put in nature for this one. And then the file location. So say if you have this saved in Google Drive, or if you have it at an online location, you'll be able to put the file there, and then you'll be able to click on that link. If it's in blue, if it's got a .com, you'll be able to click on it and go straight to it. And to add an image, you'll go to Insert, Image, and Insert Image in Cell. And then you're going to hit Browse, and it's going to go to your computer. And then you want to choose whatever file this item is. So you'll just choose it and then hit Open. And then it will put the image right in the file for you. So it's really that easy. And then any notes that's important, like, hey, I love this, or this has two different options with it, or there's different colors, or hey, love this vendor. So just something that just can jog your mind about whatever this is. So that's that. And then it's, as you add designs, it's going to count the number of designs you have. And then you can scroll through and see all the other designs you have. So that's how this works. This is available at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of other spreadsheets that can help you to organize your business for sewing, any hobbies, crafts, inventory trackers, business organization. Just take a look around. I've got a ton of stuff out there for you. The link to the video will be in the instructions tab. So you just click on the tab, and then that'll get you to the link for this video when I'm done with it. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, and y'all have